The best smart thermostat is a great way to improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce your overall utility spending. That being said, we only selected products that included Wi-Fi connectivity, an easy-to-use smartphone app, wide device compatibility, multi-day programmability, included installation kits, and enhanced features like AI, learning to automatically adjust usage and integrated real-time weather reports. There are many products available to choose from Best Smart Thermostat, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best smart thermostat from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-Day Programmable Thermostat. The Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-Day Programmable Thermostat makes our top pick because it offers the best of both worlds, whether you're tech-savvy or verse. A simplified LCD screen and touchpad are ideal for those used to older-style thermostats. But tech-savvy fans will love that you can set a 7-day program and even further program each day into 4 periods for precise temperature control throughout the day. This Honeywell thermostat works with Wi-Fi, which means you can also remotely manage the temperature and programs through either their proprietary app or by connecting it with a range of smart home assistants and third-party apps that include Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung SmartThings, IFTTT, Bonomi, Wink, and Stringy. The device is the best Wi-Fi thermostat. Number 2. Emerson Sensi Touch Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. Installing a smart thermostat can be difficult if your HVAC system is more complex. And that's why the Emerson Sensi Touch Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat is a smart option in this scenario. But it's important to note that this doesn't come with a G-wire extension. It features a large full-color touchscreen display that offers enhanced features such as humidity and extreme temperature detection. Program up to 7 days of temperature settings, and the circulating fan feature helps to improve overall air quality. If you have been thinking about buying a Zen thermostat, this is a great alternative. For the tech-obsessed, you'll appreciate that a wide range of smart assistants is supported. Choose between Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Wink. Or control your thermostat through Emerson's proprietary app. You'll also enjoy geofencing, which allows you to regulate temperatures based on your phone's location in relation to your home. Real-time usage reporting helps you determine where to curb activities. Number 3. Honeywell Home RCHT 8612 WFT5 Plus Wi-Fi Touchscreen Smart Thermostat. You might think that a limited budget means you shouldn't expect too much from a smart thermostat. But Honeywell proves that's just a myth with their T5 smart thermostat. First, you'll love the sleek design, which will make your home feel modern as soon as it's installed. Pre-program up to 7 days of temperatures and take advantage of the alert system that notifies you when it's time to replace your air filter or if indoor temperatures are extreme. For the tech-obsessed, you like that multiple smart assistant devices are supported. Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant are all supported. Geofencing allows you to automatically adjust temperatures based on your phone's proximity to your home. Best of all, you can get your money back as Honeywell's T5 is an approved device for several rebate programs with local utilities. Number 4. Ecobee E3 Lite Smart Thermostat. The Ecobee E3 second-generation smart thermostat is ideal for people who like a choice. In particular, the choice of smart home device support. This smart thermostat is designed to support Alexa, Microsoft Cortana, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, Wink, and web apps like IFTTT. But if you're not a smart assistant user, you can still use the proprietary Ecobee app to remotely control your smart thermometer via Wi-Fi. An Ecobee smart thermostat takes the aggravation out of smart homes. Other core features you like to include the ability to program temperatures in advance, Homik that logs actual usage for review, and comfort settings that allow you to adjust the temperature based on whether you're away, sleeping, or in save mode. Using the best smart outlet can also save you extra money. Number 5. Honeywell Home RTH 9585 WF1004 Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat. Anyone who's ever looked at their utility bill knows that energy pricing can be confusing, to say the least. If there was a way to plan your energy usage based on that pricing, life would be easier. The Honeywell Home RTH 9585 WF1004 Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat gives you control over your energy bills by allowing you to enter peak rate pricing and adjust your usage accordingly. There are other common features you can expect from this Honeywell model, including multiple smart assistant device support. Choose between Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung SmartThings, IFTTT, and Microsoft Cortana. Additional standard features you would expect include 7-day programming, real-time weather readings, alerts that notify you when it's time to change filters, and the ability to customize your touchscreen from a range of colors. Smart devices like this and the best smart lock make life easier and safer. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.